Patience, I'm the Brainy Tutor. I want to welcome you back to my channel. Today we are going to be discussing function notation. This is a way to represent a function in mathematics. It typically uses the format f of x, whereby f is the name of the function and x is the input value or variable. For example, f of x is equal to x squared means that the function f takes an input x and outputs x squared. So if we are given a function and we are asked to rewrite x squared minus 4y is equal to 3 as a function. Rewrite x squared minus 4y equals 3 as a function, f, using function notation. Then find f of 1 and f of p. First of all, we want to rewrite this equation, x squared minus 4y is equal to 3, in function notation by solving it for y. To solve it for y, we have x squared minus 4y is equal to 3. So to solve it for y, we want to subtract x squared from both sides. This will give us negative 4y is equal to negative x squared plus 3, because x squared minus x squared is 0. And then we're going to divide both sides by negative 4. And of course, if you're dividing two negative numbers, you'll end up with a positive. So here we'll end up with a positive y. And here is same thing. We have two negatives being divided together. That means we'll have x squared. And of course, the denominator is 4 for both. So negative x squared divided by negative 4 will give us a positive x squared, and it's over 4. And then 3 divided by negative 4 will give us negative 3. And of course, they have the same denominator, so this is all over 4. Now, next thing, we want to find f of 1. So to find f of 1, we're going to take 1 and plug it into our final equation here. So f of 1 is going to equal to 1 squared minus 3 all over 4. That will give us 1 minus 3 over 4. And then this will give us negative 2 over 4 or negative 1 over 2. So f of 1 is negative 1/2. Now to find f of p, we will take p and plug it to wherever there's an x squared. So it will be p squared minus 3 over 4. So f of p is